Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you all are resonating with the readings and you're getting guided for the reading. So today is a general card reading and I have selected two cards to do a reading for you. And before I start today, I want you all to go with the color light green and also if possible to carry a clear quartz and a rose quartz with you all. And today if you have the time, clear quartz and rose quartz. If you don't have, it's okay, but light green colored dress would be the best. And today if possible, chant on Hanuman Chalisa in the morning one time and in the evening one time, and pick up some sesame oil, tilka tel, and you can either give it to some temple or to someone in need. And also if possible today, make some chapatis, the rotis that we make at home, and in that rotis add a little bit of jaggery, basically jaggery rotis, and while coming back give it to someone in need, and you will be blessed multiple times when you do that. So now let's see the first card that is coming out for you all. Mother Mary, a beautiful card. So basically, it's a day of blessings, it's a day of abundance. If you see here, she is blessing you. The unicorn is also blessing you. The unicorn is right there helping you and ready to bless you in multiple times. So today I feel will be a day of blessing. Whatever work you take up today will be in your favor. You will get the good news also. And if someone who's doing some investments, the investments will be in their favor. And if you're working on starting up a new venture today, then it is going to be a very successful venture. And if you're looking at going for interviews or applying for some other job or for anything abroad, everything will be in your favor. In the evening, if possible, spend some time with your loved ones so that you can share your happiness and the blessings with them also. Okay, and let's see what is this card. Happy love. See, that's why I always say I love the cards. A joyful, stable partnership and good friends. So I feel evening it's going to be a day of enjoyment, a day of happiness, and a fun fulfilled day if possible. Look at this image for just 2 to 3 seconds, and when you look at it, just say I attract love, happiness and a blessed day today 21 times, and I'm sure you're going to have a beautiful day and you will be really happy that the day was the way you wanted. Have a blessed day.